Here we go. Now I'll use those rules to solve equations with exponentials and logarithms. If b to the x equals b to the y, then you take log base b of both sides and get x equals y. So exponentials are equal when their powers are equal. B to the a, x equals a, well, if you take a logarithm base b, you get x equals log base b of a, which we can rewrite by change of base formulas, common log a over common log b. Or also as natural log a over natural log b, or log base anything of a divided by log base the same thing of b. Here, log base b of x equals log base b of y, exponentiate both to a base b and get x equals y. All right, so basically exponential and logarithm are one-to-one functions. When they're equal, the inputs must be equal. Here we have the equation log base b of x equals a. We solve that by raising b to both powers. You get x equals b to the a. So in effect, you transpose an exponential by turning it into a logarithm, and you transpose a logarithm by turning it into an exponential. So, for example, 6 to the x minus 2 equals 36 for what value of x? Well, 36 is 6 to the second power. So 6 to the x minus 2 is equal 6 to the second. Therefore, the powers are the same. X minus 2 equals 2, and therefore x equals 4. Here's 5 to the 4x is 1 over 125. What's x? 1 over 125 is 5 to the negative 3. So 5 to the 4x equals 5 to the negative 3. Therefore, the powers are equal. 4x equals negative 3. So x equals negative 3/4, negative 0.75. Now it gets a little more complicated because we don't get rational solutions. 13 to the x minus 1 equals 2 for what value of x? Well, we'll take log base 13 of both sides and get the x minus 1 equals log base 13 of 2. We'll rewrite that as log 2 over log 13. Then transpose the 1, x equals 1 plus log 2 over log 13, which is approximately 1.2702. Here's 2 to the x plus 1 equals 3 to the x, and that is for what value of x? We start with the equation. We'll take a logarithm, let's say common log of both sides. Common log of 2 to the x plus 1 equals log of 3 to the x. For both this and this, we take the exponent outside. This goes outside, this goes outside. So x minus 1 times log 2 equals x log 3. At this point, it's basically a linear equation. First, we'll distribute the log 2 over on the left side. X log 2 equal plus log 2 equals x log 3. Then let's transpose the log 2 to the other side by subtracting the x log 2 to the right side by subtracting it from both sides. And so I get log 2 equals x log 3 minus x log 2. So in other words, x log 3 minus log 2. Then divide by log 3 minus log 2 both sides and get x equals log 2 over log 3 minus log 2, approximately 1.7095. Here, this is really very simple. 3 to the 2.9x equals 4.5 for what value of x? We take a natural log of both sides, and that cancels out the exponential on the left. So you get 2.9x on the left equals natural log of 4.5. So a simple division by 2.9 of both sides, you get that x equals natural log of 4.5, that divided by 2.9, approximately 0.5186. Solve 15 equals 9 to the x plus 2. What value of x? Well, from here, we'll take log base 9 to both sides. The right side becomes x plus 2. Left side becomes log base 9 of 15. All right, now this, by the change of base formulas, we'll write log base 9 of 15 as a ratio of logarithms, log 15 over log 9. That equals x plus 2. Then transpose the 2 and get x equals log 15 over log 9, all that minus 2, approximately 0.7675. 2/3 of the 6 minus x equals 8/27. Well, okay, it's simplified by the fact that 8/27 is a third power of 2/3. So we have the same base, 2/3. 2/3 of the 6 minus x equals 2/3 to the 3. So taking logarithm base 2/3 of both sides, we get that the exponents are equal. 6 minus x equals 3. It's all right. Transpose the x. 6 equals 3 plus x. Transpose the 3. X equals 6 minus 3. So x equals 3. Now I have a similar equation. 2/3 of the 6 minus x equals 16 over 81. What's x? All right, 2/3 of the x minus 1. 6 minus x equals 16 over 81. Now this is also a power of 2/3, name of the fourth power. So the exponents are equal. 6 minus x equals 4. And after a couple of standard algebra steps, transpose the x to the right, transpose the 4 to the left. X equals 6 minus 4, so x equals 2. Okay, now